Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a new website over here. It's called TradeStation, and it's a brokerage firm that provides a trading platform and a range of financial services for individual and institutional traders. And to get started with the website, simply head on over to TradeStation or TradeStation.com on Google or any other browser that you prefer. And this is the results I got after my search. I have here the official site, the online trading and the brokerage services, and I have their page on Twitter and some similar websites, and also the application on Google Play and some video about it on YouTube. We need the official site. That means first link. Let's click on it. So once you click to the link, you get directly to the homepage or the interface of the website, where you can find some key features and button that where you can open an account or login if you have already an account on TradeStation, and some other information that we will see them later after I show you how to get started with the website or how to create an account. So to do that, you need simply to go to the blue button over here and click to open account. So if you are a new user, you need to sign up from the red button. If you are a returning user, you need to click on the white button, excuse me. So we are new users, so let's click on this one, sign up. So here are some information that you need to enter and answer to create the account successfully. First thing and first step is about the account setup. You need to enter the first name. Okay, Susan Brian. And we need to answer, okay, you need to select the country of legal residence from here, and the email address you need to write it over here, and also you need to choose the state of the province, and you need to write the mobile phone, and also this is not right number, it's just like that. And you need to answer the information or the question about here, that how did you hear about the website. If this is the first time you hear about it, you can just choose we don't have, okay, social media, like example. And about the login credential, the username over here, then we need to choose a password. Then you need to confirm the password, that means rewrite it again. And you need, if you have a promo code, you will write it just here. If you don't have, just skip the step and click on next to pass to the next step. Okay, I have something wrong in the password because I write my name on it. It's shouldn't, like you see here, the password must not include your first name. I will change it and come back. So yeah, I change it. I just prime my name, and now let's try to click on next. Now for the account type, we need to choose if we want it individual or join. I will just let it individual. And I have here that we need to choose the account to open. We have crypto, we have equities and option, we have futures and features option. We need to choose what we want in our accounts. Now for equities account setting, we need to parameter on margin trading. We want it on or off, and option trading, and investment risk tolerance. We want it in income or growth or on speculation. And for the option of trading level, we have different levels here until 5. Until the level 5, we need to choose in which level we want the count. Okay, we just get it on the second one. Now we need to working with a sale representative. We need to choose yes or no, and who with who we working with, and then we need to click on next after we answer all that information. Now for the second step, that means the personal information, we need to enter this information here about the person, about the identity, the country of citizenship. You need just to select the country. And for the birthday, we need to select the month here, January, the day, and the year. And now we have the social security number, the ITIN. It's just a number like that. It's not correct, but be careful. You need to select and answer with right and valuable information, because the last step will be the checker out. If it was wrong, the count will not create or create failed. Okay, now for the residential address, the country, the street address, and the second one, it's optional. If you don't have it, you can just skip it. And you need to select the state or the province, then the zip postal code or the postal code. And now if you have a different mailing address, you will not just to click on this one and follow or full the information. If you don't have it, you can just skip it by click on no. And if you don't wish to receive marketing communication, you will not click. If you want to receive the marketing communication, you will click on yes. Okay, now let's click on next. The third step is about employment information. First thing is that employer. We need to select, this is independent to you. Okay, if you are employed, you will select the employed. If you are self-employed, you will select it. You retired, student, homemaker, or employed. Okay, let's click on student. For the affiliation, you need just to answer about this information right here after you read them and select the right answer for you. Are you supposed associates with employed by NIS, FINRA, and or NFA registered brokerage firm, yes or no, and other like this. So let's complete the creating account. Let's click on next. The fourth step is about the financial and experience. We need to fill this information right here. For the financial, we are required to collect certain financial information for tax purpose. We need to select the answer frame for approximate annual income. We need to choose how much that we want. Do you want under than $1,500 or between $1,500 and $999 or others? This answers is dependent to you, all of it. Okay, let's all choose under the price that if we choose specific also. Okay, this answer series is about prices and all about that, so this is independent to you and how that you can pay. Okay, now we need to select the answer for this. That what is your source of income? It says investments or inheritance on retirement, pension, or okay, let's just click on investments. For how will you fund your accounts, salary, gifts, investments, inheritance, legals, and more. Okay, let's just click investments too. Trading experience. We need to choose the years of experience. If this is the first time to you and trade, you will just click on no. If you have an experience, you will just specify it is under 1 year or between 1 and 5 or over 5. I will click on no. For the option and the futures is also known. Let's click on next to pass to the next step. For this step of summary and agreements, we need to answer this following question here. That would you like to provide us with contact information for a trust contact person age 18 or older? Okay, I will just click on no and next. And for the documents of Susan Bryan, this is information here we need to now it's still 2 steps, the summary and the agreements, and finish it. I cannot create an account now or your account because I don't use this trade website, but you need to complete the summary and agreements about the checkout for the identity and the image over here and the back of the ID, and for drop files here to upload, and for the proof of address I don't have one, so I cannot create the account successfully. But after you do all this information right here, we just click on next and go to the other step, or the final step is finish it and your account will create successfully. So this is our video today about how to create an account on the TradeStation. If you like the video and if you understand me, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website.